morning, everybody. I am coming to you today from Sunshine Village. I am here because Sunshine Meadows, it is one of the most beautiful hikes that you can do in the Canadian Rockies here in the Banff National Park in the summer. The reason for that is because the insane amount of wildflower. Not only that, it's a very easy hike. Little kids can do it. It's not super crowded, so you're not going to find the large crowds you would find typically at Lake Louise or Moraine Lake. So today I'm going to take you on the adventure and kind of show you what you can expect from Sunshine Meadows hike. There's a caveat though. It is not free. It can be if you want to hike all the way up to the viewpoint. However, it is a very long, boring, hard hike. Therefore, I recommend that you pay the $65 if you're an adult, and I think it's $30 if you're a kid, but just check their website just in case. And I also believe you get a senior discount, but it's $65 to take the gondola and the chairlift all the way up to the viewpoint. And then from the viewpoint, you can start a beautiful, easy hike that takes you around 3 different lakes covered with wildflowers, little waterfalls, streams, the works. And at the very end of that hike, you can be rewarded with a delicious, juicy burger at one of their restaurants. So without further ado, join me and my friends on this beautiful, epic, family-friendly, kid-friendly hike here in the Canadian Rockies. Be prepared to be on my YouTube channel. I'm here with everybody from work, but one of the things that I do love about this hike is that it is unbelievably quiet. It is stunning, it's beautiful, it's easy, and it is unbelievably quiet. You're not going to find the crazy crowds that you find at Lake Louise or Moraine Lake, but you do pay the $65 to get in, but it is completely worth it. Yeah. Hey guys, coming to the end of the hike. As you can see, obviously nobody behind me. I came with some friends. Right now, this is like the hardest part of the hike. It's like the last 10% of the hike, which is just going back up. Oh, I'm breathing a little bit, but I promise you, like 75–80% of the hike is totally easy, totally doable, very family friendly, as I said before. And once I am done, I'm going to go reward myself with a delicious hamburger and a nice cold beer, and this is going to be so worth it.